Number 13, which of the following is the domain and range of the relation below? So the domain is going to be the set of all x coordinates for your points. So I'm going to just highlight them in purple. That's going to be our domain, -4, -7, 6, and 6. And you don't have to list a number twice. So we're looking for -4, -7, and 6. So the only um, answer choice that has that domain is this one, -6, -7. Oh, sorry, +6. -7, -4, and +6. Okay. All the other ones, they have the -4, -7, and the +6. This one has an extra, this one has an extra, and this one is missing the -4 and it has two extras. Okay, this is the only one with the correct domain. This has to be the answer, but let's just go through and look at the range just so that we know how to do that too. So the range is the set of all y coordinates in your for your points. So I've got a -7, a 2, a 9, and a 6. -7, 2, 9, and 6. Okay, so that's my range right here. So I see those show up in some different answers. -7, 2, 9, and 6. -7, 2, 9, and 6. So those show up here, but they have the wrong domain. Okay, so it's got to be this one, D.